igama nguNkosi khona ngazwa kakhulu ngelikaMashelela bakhona abayaziyo iMashelela TV sengene kumsebenzi waka Entity osudume umhlaba wonke ngokushintsha impilo zabantu nokufundisa abantu ukuthi bangasebenzisa kanjani ama smartphone abo ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bazenzele imali njengamanje siphila esikhathini se-technology. So njengoba siyama creatives ngiyi-photographer but ngubone kakhulu umehluko mangingena ka-Entity. Ngikwazile ukuthi ngomhla ka-20 December last year ngayiwinela imoto i-Toyota Cross ka-2025 bayazi abanye bayibona kwi-social media i-gold. Ngafaka uKing Zoso naye futhi usephinde wawina imoto. So ngifisa ukuthi nami ngihlanganyele nama-creatives ngoba ngiyalwazi usizi esiphila ngaphansi kwalo. Ngiyakwazi ukuthi sitravel siye konkandla siye kuphi le kude sifaka upetrol sithemba ukuthi mhlambe sizokwazi ukuthi i-content isikhokhele only to find ukuthi sometimes i-content ingasikhokheli. Ngale business esiqalile ukwazi ukuthi uyiqale ngecapital ka-6,000 iyakwazi ukuthi iholele impilo yakho yonke. Iyakwazi ukuthi ikuthathe from 6,000 ikwenze i-millionaire. Angazi ngicela ukwashiya ama-contact details. Ngicela ngithatha ama-contact details. Ngiyawathanda kakhulu ama-artists. That is why ngafaka uKing Zoso because I knew ukuthi as ama-artist mina inamba enkulu ngiyakwazi ukuthi lezo inamba niyi-convert into business. 076 076 3611 3611 625. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngicela ukuthi lento niyithathe serious. It's a real business. Iyaphila. I-technology efikayo. U-Entity usi-analyze le-market. Usebenzisana nebhenki u-RNK. Uyena u-analyze market bese sinezi signal ngo-1 straight ntambama straight. Senze i-profit. Asilose.